I get asked about Pulsar catalytic converters a lot, and it's almost always from someone whose check engine light just came on, or whose mechanic is quoting a price that sounds like a ransom demand. Instant pain point. No one likes spending hundreds on car parts. So a catalytic converter is basically the car's air filter for the environment. It sits in your exhaust system and neutralizes some of the nastiest stuff cars produce: carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons. Without it, your car would be a rolling pollution factory. Now, Pulsar isn't just a cool name straight out of a sci-fi novel. It's an aftermarket brand that got a reputation for making converters that people can actually afford. Value statement here. Original OEM converters can cost over $1,000. A Pulsar? Usually a third of that price, and often meets the same emissions standards. Let's talk about installation. If you're handy with basic tools, a Pulsar converter can be done in your driveway. Step 1. Let your car cool down. You're dealing with parts that get hotter than the inside of a toaster. Pro tip: gloves and safety glasses are your friend. You unbolt the old converter, which is often easier said than done. Rust is your main enemy here, and trust me, in places like Portland with all that rain, bolts seize up faster than my laptop on a Zoom call. PB Blaster is basically magic in a can for this. Then you line up the Pulsar catalyst and bolt it in place. The key is to make sure seals are tight, because exhaust leaks are no joke. They'll turn your commute into a headache factory, sometimes literally. Always double-check connections before firing up the engine. People worry that aftermarket means worse, but with Pulsar, you're still looking at converters that have to meet federal EPA standards. In fact, in states with stricter rules, like California, they even have versions with CARB certification. This is the detail most people miss. Most folks only realize their converter is failing because the check engine light comes on, or the car starts running like it's inhaling through a straw. You may smell rotten eggs or notice a drop in fuel efficiency. Classic signs it's time for a new part. It's tempting to ignore the problem. Maybe it'll go away. It won't. And if you procrastinate too long, not only do emissions go up, but fuel economy drops by 10 to 20%. That's real money over a year, and you could fail a mandatory emissions test. Now let's talk theft. This is a painful topic. Catalytic converter thefts have shot up more than 300% in some cities because there are precious metals inside these things. Pro tip: Pulsar doesn't make your car less of a target, but cheaper replacement costs definitely soften the blow. If you're going DIY, the hardest part isn't actually the install. It's making sure you order the right converter for your specific car model and engine type. One wrong number and you're stuck with a shiny paperweight. Always double-check before clicking Order. So, if your mechanic is quoting you something that sounds like the down payment on a house, or you're staring at a dashboard warning that won't quit, looking at Pulsar might just save you hundreds. Reliable, legal, and your wallet stays a little fatter. Not a bad set of outcomes for a hunk of metal under your car.